it's raining. I'm about to install a switch gasket into the light fixture here. I have already unscrewed the screws, but before you do all this, for all intents and purposes, you need to cut off the power, and that way you won't get electrocuted. So let's get right to it. You can tell right now that I have not cut off my power, but for this film here, it needs a little light. So I'm being very careful. Okay, I got the screws out, taking the cover off. Here's your gasket. It comes with perforated holes. All you have to do is punch them out, insert, and replace your cover. Put your screws back in.